So today I'm going to finally remulch these garden beds with some hardwood mulch, wood chips that I've got just here, because mine are looking a bit old school and they've decomposed quite a bit too, so they're starting to get, the layer's pretty thin. Like, look at that, there's dirt right there. So I'm just going to chuck some on top, prune up these bad boys, prune up the ones out the back, get rid of that. Guess what, that is tall fescue from when I had a tall fescue lawn. I don't know how many times I pulled that out of there. Anyway, we'll do it again today. So let's get some wood chippies in.
Yo mate, what up? Welcome to a big lawn tip vid. Thanks. I'm going to say a bit better. You're mate to the lawn tip vid.
My plan is this year to really work on the garden beds a bit more, put a bit more time and effort into them, weed the garden beds, put some pre-emergent down in where I'm not going to put any plants down, like down the back there. Let's get out our wheelbarrow. Where's my wheelbarrow? I'm guessing the wheelbarrow is... Oh, I know it is. It's up the side of the house. Don't break that. Yep, there it is. Beep beep.
Those bark chips from Tasmania.
The bark chips from Tasmania?
Yeah.
No, they're not from Tasmania just because I got back from Tasmania.
Where are they from?
They are from the landscape supplies place.
Boring at Tasmania.
Was it boring at Tasmania? No, it was not boring at Tasmania. Alright, so we're going to put these out the back first, okay?
Okay.
You give me a hand doing it?
What?
You going to help me?
Yes.
Yeah. I think that's going to be a bit heavy for you, buddy.
What?
How about you carry the camera and you video me?
I'm on the camera.
Don't know if I should let him do this.
I'm so strong.
Are you videoing my bum?
What?
Are you videoing my butt?
What am I doing today?
You gotta video me, boy.
That's one shit. Thanks.
Hope you guys can see what's going on there. Alright, you boys want to help me pull out some of these grassy weeds and some of these things before we put in the bark chips. There you go, that's a bit of grass. Yep, that's some ryegrass. Pull it out. I'll show you. Good job, man!
Oops. He's over here.
That's right. When you pull out a weed, come here, buddy. Oh, well, that's a good example. You want to get that stuff that's down there. You see that?
Yep.
You see?
What's that?
So I missed it. So that'll grow back now. There we go.
You got it?
Improvisation.
I was going to root down there.
Got him. What are you doing?
I'm in the bark chips.
You putting them in there, are you?
Ow, sparky one.
How about you just wait till Daddy tips it in with the wheelbarrow? It's a bit easier. Brother, look at that.
Spiky.
Good job. How you do a good job?
Valerie did. This is a bit dirty glass. This is poo glass.
Excuse me,
So
young
this-
man. Alright, we got some weeds out of there, so let's put some wood chips in, eh, boys? Oh, look at that. A bit quicker, isn't it?
There's some more in there.
I'm not gonna
See?
be there for you, 'cause you were never there for me. Don't go ask me what you did wrong. Ignorance will never see. No, wasn't it for me? Why don't you just let it be? I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times, not wasting my good. 'Cause you're not on your knees. What's in it for me?
Now time to trim these. I'm going to trim these back to basically nothing. Now I just want to say also, I'm not a gardener. So if I'm doing something wrong, please leave me alone. Whew. Done for today. That'll do me. I'll fix this up another day. As I said, I'll get a weed killer down there and kill that out, and then I'll put some pre-emergent down. I'm going to trial out this new product in here soon, which is a pre-emergent that is safe for garden beds, so watch out for that, but that'll be more towards spring. How good does that look? So much tidier. I'll blow this stuff off obviously, but yeah, I'll trim these closer to spring. I've still got flowers coming up. That looks so much better. Just makes a difference, makes the yard pop a little bit more, look a bit tidier. And then so much better out the front as well. Smashed that. There's still a bit of fescue in there. I can't wait for spring. I'm going to really try to get into my gardens and make a bit of a difference out there. Try some different products on the gardens. Just have some fun with it, you know, instead of just the lawn for once. Anyway, thanks guys so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure to check out my website if you guys haven't already. I sell products in there, I sell my consultations, all that fun stuff. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and you have a good week. Right, just finished having some lunch. I'm going to try and pour a coffee. What is it? It's a high heel. It's a high heel. No? It's a, oh, you know what it is? It's a peacock. See the little, or it's a tail on some bird.
A turkey?
It's a turkey.